This is a 2010 Mercury Milan. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a security system, front fog lights, dusk-sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Woltz & Wind Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2100 Washington Pike in Heidelberg.